The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for near-shore and adjacent open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor until 1:15 a.m. At 12:15 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles east of Kenosha to 6 nautical miles south of Winthrop Harbor, moving south at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Now here